this is Ieasha of Decor Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, as you see in the back, I am going to be decorating my Sierra board. Now, this board is one that my husband made for me, and I'm also going to be linking in the description box other ways that I have designed this Sierra board also. All right, and I also will be linking some of my event playlist as well as my balloon playlist. All right, so that you can go and check it out. All right, I'm going to be adding some strawberries. I've made some chocolate covered strawberries that I'm going to be adding. Also, I'm going to be adding some stands to the sides of my Sierra board right here. And I made some chocolate covered strawberries, and I'm just going to add some desserts and things like that on my little pedestal stands that I'm going to be adding to each side of this Sierra board. Okay, and this right here is just to give you some ideas of some things that you can do for Valentine's Day. I know Valentine's Day is Monday, so I just wanted to go ahead and hop on here right quick to give you some ideas, some last minute ideas for your Valentine's date. All right, this will be super easy for anyone who may be you know, constricting of time. You know, you may have been running on time. So this right here would be something super easy that you can just put together and go ahead and have for your date night or for Galentine's or whatever it is that you're going to be doing for Valentine's or Galentine's Day. All right, as you see, these are the same balloons that I had. If you've seen the video for my daughter's winter dance that she had, I'm going to be linking that video also in the card section. So if you did not see it, make sure you go and check it out. But these are some red balloons that I added to my other board that I have. All right, my backdrop. And these pink balloons right here, as you see right here, I've added these balloons to go with the Go Red for Heart Health awareness that I did in memory of my mom. I do that every year. It's a yearly collaboration that I do, and I will be linking that video also. All right, so let me stop talking. Go ahead and jump into this video. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's go. Have started my adding my balloons to my Sierra board. Let me show you something and what I'm going to do. All right here the balloons are a little too long. All right, you can still use them if you would like, but I think they're just too long for me to continue. I don't want, you know, the look that I have envisioned. It's not with a lot of these balloons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some scissors and I'm just going to cut it like right here, this area. Do you see this here? I think I'm going to give it a cut here, but just make sure you do not cut your balloons. So I'm just going to cut it here and see if I can take the other part off, okay? All right, so all I did was take my scissors and just snip it right in that area that I was pointing to. And as you see, it cut right where I wanted it to. Therefore, it didn't cut any of my balloons off because I still want my balloons to be in this, you know, connected together. Okay, because I may use these for something else. All right, so I'm just going to throw these to the side. And this is the way that I want my balloon to look. I'm going to continue to work with it to get it to look a little better. And then I'm going to add some heart balloons to this design that I have here. Okay. All right, everyone. So as you see, I have added my balloons to my Sierra board. And I'm going to give you a close-up look of how I did everything. Like I said, the balloons were too long, so I went ahead and cut it. And this is how I gathered it right here in this area. And I think it's really nice right there. as you can see. So I already have this balloon here. This is one of my 18-inch balloons. So what I'm going to do, I am going to be adding some heart balloons, probably in this area, and maybe one up top somewhere. Okay, probably right here. As you see, that area needs to be closed in, so I probably add like a heart balloon there. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Everything looks pretty good. Right here, I probably close that in just a little bit more, that area. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add pedestal stand right here, and right here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some chocolate covered strawberries here, and maybe some pineapples or something. And this can be for my husband and I. We can just, you know, when we sit at the dinner, have dinner at our table that I did, the Valentine's Day table that I did, I will be linking that also. You know, we can either come over here, grab it, put it on the table when we get ready to eat our desserts. And we can just have that for a dessert, or whatever we decide to do. All right. Another thing, if you would like, you can also add like vinyl here. I have a Cricut, so I do a lot of Cricut tutorials and Cricut videos. And I'm going to be showing you one that I have done with this board. So make sure you go and check that video out. But make sure you use the removable vinyl. Don't use the permanent, because if you use the permanent, it would be very, very hard, or you may not be able to get it off your board. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm going to keep working. All right, everyone, so here's my heart balloons that I'm going to be using, and I got these from Balloons Online. All right, and it said 1 decorative balloon. It's the red heart. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm just going to use my, I'm not going to use my balloon pump, but I'm going to be using my hand pump to blow this up. All right, and this is the hand pump that I'm going to be using. And I got this out of one of the, another balloon kit that I have. And so what I'm going to do is just take it right, let's see. Okay, right here, as you see right here in this area, you just take your hand pump and just take this little part here and just push it here. All right, and okay, and all you have to do is just keep tapping it until you blow it up. All right. Take it and just rub it down just to make sure it closes. And here's the balloon. All right, I have another one that I'm going to blow up, and I'm going to be using my glue dots to just attach them to my balloons that you saw before. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and show you as I attach them on my balloon garland. Alright, everyone, so what I'm going to do, here's my pedestal stand right here, and I'm going to be adding this red fabric that I have, and it's really pretty. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and just put it over my pedestal stand, just like so. Turn it. Okay. Alright, just make sure you have it where it looks all cute. Alright. Alright, so I have some chocolate covered strawberries that I'm going to be putting on this table, this pedestal stand. And here are the strawberries that I made. And all I'm going to do is just going to place them here, just like so. All right, and remember, you can put anything here. It's totally up to you. I'm just doing this. All right. All right, everyone. So here is my balloon design Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day balloon design, whichever one you want to use it for. And again, I have my red and pink balloons, super cute. All right, I have my red heart balloon there, and I just decided to put one here. I have my sheer board that my husband made for me, and I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. And yeah, and I love how I just took it and wrapped it all the way around. As you see, I started here and came all the way around, all the way down. And remember, the other balloons was too long, so I had to cut some. And I absolutely just, and I decided to just cut it here and just leave this part here. All right. And I have my 18-inch balloons here, along with my 12 and 11-inch pink balloons. All right. And again, like I told you before, you can take something and have something written right here, like Happy Valentine's Day or whatever you want to put. You can put your loved one's name there on the sharer board. I didn't have any extra vinyl. I didn't have the removable vinyl. I had permanent, and I do not want to put permanent vinyl on my board because remember I told you that it will stick and it would be really hard to come off. So I didn't want to have to deal with that. All right, so let me show you my pedestal stand right here. And that's my pedestal stand. Again, my husband made that. I have 2 of them, and he made those for me. And I just added this beautiful red fabric that I had and just put it over the pedestal stand and just added the strawberries that I have made. I made these strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries, and just put them here. And this dish here belongs to a 3-tier dish that I had. I've had this dish probably about 3 years now, and I'm going to be linking, I think I have other videos where I've used this stand, and I have a video of the actual stand when I purchased it. So I will be linking it in the card section. So make sure you go out and go and check the videos that I will be putting in the card section. All right. I thank you all so very much. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor. You will see balloon designs. You will also see backdrops, and I'm a crafter. So you'll be seeing Cricut tutorials as well as sublimation tutorials, all right? So I just want to say you all have an amazing day. I want to say Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you. I hope your day is super amazing. I hope that you all enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video.